Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Curbside deals for Walgreens for the week of the 14th to the 20th of June. Starting off strong with this code 5June for 5 free 4x6 prints once per account. You basically order prints through the Walgreens app, drive to the store and pick it up. When you're at the store, punch in your phone number. A paper booster may print for you, especially if you didn't get the 10 back when you spend 45. So I would definitely order some photos with that code ASAP. It's a curbside pickup. A curbside pickup means you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. I will let you guys know that a lot of food that's been like 50% in the app, it's now gone like 99 cents or a lot cheaper. You might want to type in food clearance in your area, and possibly you might hit the big bonanza like this Skippy peanut butter for 99 cents. What a great price point. Now, alternatively, if you are the kind of shopper that wants to deal with register rewards, you want to be in store, you want to see what you're buying, and you're not about, doing an online order, watch yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end. All in-store deals, register rewards, easy peasy deals. So go and check it out. I will again link it at the end, and it's in-store shopping deals. Okay, so let's get to the first deal number one. This one is going to be a $45 basket with the spend 45 to earn back 10. And this is lovingly your booster right here, the digital booster. So for this basket, we're going to throw in one of these Pantene rescue shots for $9.99 or anything by the rescue line for $9.99. We have a $6 coupon. Was I sleeping yesterday? Yeah, that's really fantastic. And we're also going to throw in a little shampoo for $6.49. And there's an additional $4 coupon. I believe these are only for use, but if you do the deals I present every week, you probably have the same ones as I. Load that coupon. It makes this shampoo completely free. 2 of the FIFA Ladies Dove body washes for $14.98. And we have a 10 off of 2 digital that's attaching. Load the higher one, not the smaller one, which is the 4 off of 2. And we're also going to throw in 2 of these deodorant sticks for $14.68 with another 10 off of 2 digital coupon. Recently caught my mom buying Dove deodorant. I'm like, I'm a couponer, Mom. What are you doing? So I have to stock up for her. Final item to get the math to balance is one of these $6.99 puffs, and we have a $3 digital. It's the one with lotion or the soft one, so you pick which one you want. Just to show you the gorgeous chorus line here, look at all this. Only code I could get to apply was WAG10. Maybe you'll have better luck than I, but please make sure you have to subtract WAG10 from the total, and it has to be $45. If you dip below that, your math is completely toast. So you really have to pay attention if you're going to use the other codes. And then just to show you the overall total here is $49.88. Subtracting 176, the total now is $48.12. So we're still at the spend 45 to earn back 10. Free curbside pickup, tax $32.24 and tax melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $18.77. And you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, 2 things. Check your fetch in case there might be a rebate for Dove. Is the Dove men's higher than the Dove women's? This possibly could make this a freebie. And if you might have the spend 50 to earn back 10 on P&G products, Pantene included, I would definitely ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt to photograph it to the Fetch Rewards rebate app. I didn't get any of those Dove rebates, but you might have a different one than I, so maybe grab the men's over the women's. Okay, deal number 2. This is the final one with this booster because I know a lot of you probably don't like a $45 basket, but the last one with this booster, spend 45 to earn back 10. So again, we're going to be throwing in, because the coupons are so high value, guys, 2 of these FIFA Ladies body washes, or alternatively the men's, $14.98 with the 10 off of 2 digital coupon, like Christmas and birthday right there. 2 of these deodorants for $14.68. Again, they are the FIFA Dove ladies, and we have another 10 off of 2 digital. Make sure you have that friend loaded as well, and let you know that booster is of a one-time use, the 10 back when you spend 45. We're also going to throw in 2 of these Walgreens. They're like a moist towelette for your glasses or sunglasses just to get the dirt off. Very handy. Buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash, and they are $5.98 for 2. And then we're also going to toss in 4 of these ladies Walgreens disposables. Buy 1, get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making it like 98 cents for 2. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm just bulking up the basket to get it to work out in my favor. And then the men's as well, I'm throwing in 2, so it's 6 altogether, but my store was limiting how many I could throw in for the women's. So I think it's just a different color. So 2 of the men's. And then the final item I grabbed was one of these Vaseline lotions for $6.79. There's a $2 digital. You pick whichever scent you would like. I just went with this one. I am going through a ton of lotion lately, so I'm very happy that we have a nice $2 coupon to go with this. And then just to show you guys the chorus line here, the Dove, the Vaseline, the Dove, and then June 20 would actually work with this. So $5.88 melting off right there. Okay, so the overall total is $51.37. Subtracting $5.88, I'm at $45.49. So for the spend 45 to earn back 10, I am still there. We have $22 in digitals melting off. You'll pay $26.22 with your debit card, credit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a booster. You're getting back $22. This is a tremendous deal. I mean, go and make it happen. It's close to free. If not, we're right there. Okay, the final 2 deals we're looking at are just deals without a booster where you can use Walgreens cash. For this one, it's 2 of these Axe deodorants with a 7 off 2, so $14.98, subtracting that 7 off 2. Now, double, triple check your Fetch account because I think some of us got an Axe rebate. I didn't get that one again. And then we're going to throw in 2 CoverGirl products, 1 face and 1 eye product. We have a $3 digital attaching, and it's buy 1, get 1 50% off as well. So I went with this little compact of the foundation. And I'm going to suggest you get the $6.99 cheapest mascara with that $3 digital as well. These brow pencils are kind of weird with IBOTTA. IBOTTA also has $4 back for both the face and eye products. So you're going to have to ask for a receipt for that. It makes it like close to free. And I think there's also a Fetch rebate to spend so much on CoverGirl. Get a couple points back with Fetch. I don't have that rebate again. Broken record, I know. I also threw in this Revlon Color Stay eye cream for $5.99, and we have a $3 digital. I don't know. I just thought it'd be nice to throw in like an eye color. Why not? It's always like mascara or just the face powder just to make something a little different. And yeah, why not? And we have my Skippy for 99 cents because I'm a spoiled brat. I hope you guys can find some cheap food as well because like 99 cents. And the expiry date for this, I think, was end of the year or something crazy. I saw that in the store. And the final item is the Excedrin Rapid Relief Headache Caplets, 20 for $4.49. And we have a $3 digital, like $1.49 for that. If you suffer from migraines, I sometimes do, you can see the value in that, especially for something that would start working immediately. Like it seems like lightning in a bottle there. Just to show you our gorgeous chorus line, the 2 CoverGirls melting off, our Excedrin, Revlon Cosmetics, WAG 10 taking $1.69 off, and then a 7 off of 2 for the Axe. Overall total here is $39.93, $1.69 melting off, $19 also melting off. So $21.48. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.48. Get a receipt for $4 back from IBOTTA for the 2 CoverGirls and photograph it as well for Fetch in case you might have that rebate for something with Axe. So why not go and make something happen, guys? Because especially if you want to use some of your Walgreens cash and some of this stuff interests you. now is the time to do it. And then just to give you eyes, this is what my 2 IBOTTA rebate looks like. So you're going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a physical receipt to get your $4 back from IBOTTA. And the limit for these are 1 per account. Okay, so the final deal that I have cooked up for you, if that $45 basket was a bit too rich, here we're going to throw in 3 of these Walgreens disposables. It's just going to be the greatest hits of one deal. So 3 of these, and then we're also going to toss in 1 more. So it's like buy 2, get $2 back of Walgreens cash, buy 1, get 1 50% off. So 3 of the ladies, 1 of the dude razors, and then 2 of these, it's like a lens towelette. 2 of them for $5.98. Buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash, and it's buy 1, get 1 50% off. And then just to show you guys, I was able to get WAG 10 to apply, so $1.19 of savings. That's why it's a bit more advantageous to do this deal curbside than in store, because you get to save $1.19. Like, why not? Okay, so the overall total is $11.94, $1.19 melting off, a little bit of tax, $11.40. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.40 and you're getting back $9 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the towelettes and 4 for the razors. Not a bad little deal. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Yesterday's video linked right here, in-store shopping and magic. We will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.